This is the Vibrant Custom exhaust, what it sounds like. The music. This is what it sounds in the car when the windows are closed. Don't last speed because I got a bunch of tickets. But I will do another video of what it sounds like because it's kind of difficult to hear. But here's like last time. Let me slow down and show you what it hears like. Goodbye, Kelly. Alright, peace.